Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily insert an Outlook email into another email to send it via Outlook. So let's imagine that we have this email and we want to send it to someone else as an attachment. To begin, click and drag this email to your desktop. As a next step, click New, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. You can add always subject, text, etc. Click on Insert, and here you can click Attach. Browse this PC, desktop, locate your email and click Insert. You can always select the second option, Object, create from file, browse, desktop, locate the email and click Insert. And click OK. And this way you have two different ways of how adding the email to another email. Once done, click Send and this should be fine. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.